We are back on the ice one more day chasing the chain pickerel, starting off with the old rattling shad again. See if we can get that down there. Not sure if the camera's in the right angle or not, so that's the first thing we got to check out. Oh, looks like it's a little bit off to the side. That the right way? Yep. Okay, that looks like it's centered. Always like to start off with a little bit of noise and vibration. See if we can draw a fish in. Then we'll probably switch it up to the, I'm not going to say live bait because she's stone dead, but we do have some minnows. Okay guys, there's our first little pickerel that came in. Smaller guy. Oh, we got it! He's on! Woohoo! We got him! Okay, there he is. Wow, that was quick. Hit the old rattling shad. Probably 17 or 18 inches. Back home he goes. Well, that was our first guy. Didn't take long. Probably 10 or 15 minutes. I think we'll stick with the rattling shad to see what happens. Time for a little lunch. If anything will bring him in, it's that. Well, we weren't wrong. We said the lunch would bring him in, but unfortunately it's a little perch. He's checking out the minnow. Probably a little bit too big for him to eat, but he's pecking at it anyway. Morning everyone. I'm going to say this is probably going to be our last day on the water. It's supposed to get up to plus like 8-9 degrees the next few days, so won't be safe to be out on the ice. Just going to get these baits rigged up and get them in the water. You can see our drop shot rig. That's actually 50-pound fluoro right there with a number 4 bait hook. I'm not sure how heavy that weight is on the tag line. Drop her down. We are fairly deep today. There's our weight. And where's Mr. Minnow? There's a gator. Let him swim away now. Okay, set the hook. Okay, the fight is on. Only took us about 15 or 20 minutes. Oh, he come off, the bugger. Oh, man. I probably never let him chew that enough from the sounds of things, or from the looks of things. Now we want to rig that minnow back up. How's that hole looking through his noggin? Maybe a little bit too big. Is that going to slip through there? Maybe we should re-rig her. We don't want to lose our bait already. There we go. There's another gator, guys, right there. Wonder if that's the same one. Tease him a little bit. Oh, look, he's looking. Well, we've had a flurry of activity the last few minutes. Managed to hook one and the other two came in and had a look. Not sure if it's all the same fish or not. I doubt it, but you never know. Oh, 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 there's a fish. There's a fish right there, guys. He chewed on her. He's got her. Okay, we're on. Now, let's get that in. Okay, here he comes. There he is. Up through the hole. Oh, nice fish too, guys. Check that out. That's probably in the 20-inch class. That fish is going to go every bit of, I'm going to say 22, 23 inches. Beautiful gator. Get him back home. You can settle down some. There he goes. Wow. I think I'm going to take a little walk around here. I saw some garbage when I was coming in, so going to grab the shovel, see if I can get it out of the ice, make the place a little cleaner. Keep your eye on the rod. Hopefully we'll hook up. Not sure why knuckleheads can't pick up after themselves. There's our good deed for the day. More litter than I'd like to see, that's for sure. Okay, we're on. Woohoo! We finally got one. Oh man. Oh, look at him pulling that drag. Wow. Oh man, oh man. What an awesome fight. There he is. Coming up through the hole. Oh, big gator, guys. Nice chunky fish. Woo-hoo-hoo! Underwater camera just died, so we're going to call her a day. Another great hard water season, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.